So we are given these two equations now. We are
Okay.
given these two equations. Y is equal to 2x plus 10 and y is equal to 2x minus 1. Say at how many points does these two equations intercept? Now, let me just use this opportunity to give you this important knowledge. When you have two equations like this is a graph of one. This is the other graph. Maybe on the XY plane, these are the two graphs. The two graphs intercept at one point. As long as we have a linear equation, two linear equations, just like what we have here now, two linear equations, whenever you solve them correctly, they will always intercept only at one point, except when the two equations, when the two lines are parallel. When the two lines are parallel, as the case of what we have here now, these two lines, as I'm looking at them now, the two of them are parallel. Why are they parallel? Because the slope of the two lines are equal. If you check, the first one is 2x. If you use y is equal to mx
Plus C.
plus c. Yes. If you take, the two of them has the same format. C for the
Yeah.
first one now is 10 and m is
Minus 1.
2.
Yeah.
Then for the second one now, c is minus 1 and the m is 2. So the two of them has the same slope. They have the same slope m. So meaning that they can never intercept. If you have the xy plane like this, the xy plane, this is y, this is x. If you are trying to plot the graph of these two, this one will be going like this. This one will also be going like this. The two of them will just be parallel because they have the same slopes. So the correct answer to this is they will not intercept. At how many points do they intercept? If 0 is there, now 0 is the answer because they can never intercept. If the slopes are not equal, if the slopes are not the same, when you solve them, you always get one answer. Maybe for x and y, you can always get one answer, meaning that they will intercept at one point. That is, you get one answer, one value for x and one value for y. Simple. So the correct answer, since the slope are the same, they cannot intercept. So 0, if 0 is present, 0 will be the answer. Simple. So that's the answer to that. That's the answer to that question.